got some work to do now. Scooby-doo, where are you? We need some help looking now. I see you. Cause I can see the way you shake.
I'm so over this damsel in distress nonsense. I do not always get kidnapped. Can't believe you'd say that to me.
Scooby-doo, where are you?
I look like a flight attendant, like a really old flight attendant, like in the older times, not like old.
Alright, welcome back. Beginning with the eyebrows because they were the most intense portion of this look, and by that I really just mean how weird it was to do auburn eyebrows.
While doing character makeup that has nothing to do with your actual hair color, because, whoo!
The actual eye makeup though is not a typical Daphne makeup look. I thought it was fitting as it's definitely her colors, but as the title states, make it a little bit more vintage inspired. I started off with a white cream base as this green needed to pop. And then I packed that shit on. There was no blending to be had. I did add a large wing onto it though, followed up with a liner, which is actually a very pigmented water activated paint, which I used as a regular liner. Then quickly turned into a graphic liner moment. Outwards into that same wing that I created with the green. Bringing it slightly down on a slope into the inner tear duct area. And around the top, almost connecting, but not quite. Under the bottom waterline, almost connecting into the inner tear duct once again. And then out into another wing. Finally, mascara time to top and bottom lashes. I wanted to give a little bit more color to the cheeks as she is a cartoon character that kind of does have that pinky cheek look. Finally, though you can't see it very well, I did add a muted pink to my lips. And then it was wig time, styling and all. Styling was simple as it was already a very Daphne Blake-esque wig. I simply took out a portion from behind the ears, I would say maybe about an inch on either side, and placed it in front, and then held it down with a headband to keep it into place. Added some pink purple triangle earrings to fit the vibe. And that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Happy Halloween, guys.